औज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम। डियर स्टूडेंट्स ऑफ क्लास 10th, जैसा कि आप जानते हैं कि हम छुट्टियों से पहले एक टॉपिक पढ़ रहे थे जिसका नाम था नेकलेस, द नेकलेस। नेकलेस आपको मालूम है कि जो औरतें गले में हार पहनती हैं उसको नेकलेस बोलती हैं। तो उसमें आपने देखा कि जो मेटिल्डा थी, शी हैड अ बिग ड्रीम्स। क्या ड्रीम्स थी उसके पास, ये तो आपको हमने पढ़ा है। शी वांटेड टू बी मैरिड विथ ए यंग एंड रिच मैन, बट अनफॉर्चुनेटली उसकी शादी जो है एक पिटी क्लर्क से हो जाती है। और उसके बाद उसको इनविटेशन आ जाती है, एक मिनिस्टर की तरफ से उनको इनविटेशन आ जाती है कि आप पार्टी में ज्वाइन कीजिए। तो तब वो परेशान हो जाती है, जैसा कि आपको मालूम है। शी वॉज डिस्ट्रेस दैट शी वॉज नॉट हैविंग द प्रॉपर ड्रेसेस एंड शी वॉज नॉट हैविंग द ज्वेलरीज एट्सेट्रा, क्योंकि जो पार्टी थी दैट वाज अ ग्रैंड पार्टी, उसमें बहुत बड़े जो डिग्निटरीज आ रहे थे, उनकी बीवियां आ रही थी। तो उसको यही परेशानी थी कि मेरे जो ज्वेलर्स हैं, जो मेरे ड्रेस हैं, वो उतने अच्छे नहीं हैं कि जितने उनको जो जितनी वो लगा कर आई होंगी। तो वहाँ पर उसकी क्या हो जाती, उसकी वो परेशानी हो जाती। तो आज देखते हैं हम, जब वो एक जैसा कि आपको मालूम है कि उसने अपने दोस्त से वो नेकलेस उधार ली थी। शी borrowed a necklace from her friend and when she went into the party, uh, she went home around 4 o'clock when they were in the party, and now she wanted to go to her home around 4 o'clock in the morning। यानी सुबह सवेरे वो 4 बजे पार्टी से जा रही थी, घर की तरफ निकली। Her husband had been half asleep in one of the little saloons since midnight. As you know, her husband, he was sleeping in the saloon. सैलून आपको मालूम है कि जहाँ पर वो ब्यूटी पार्लर, वहाँ पर वो सो रहा था सिंस मिडनाइट, रात के 12 बजे से। एंड ही वॉज हैविंग 3 other gentlemen with him, whose wives were enjoying themselves. The wives of these 3 persons, they were also enjoying the party. Uh, he threw around her shoulders the modest wraps that they had carried, whose poverty clashed with the elegance of the ball costume. Now, Matilda's husband, uh, he threw means he put some wraps, coverings on the shoulders of her wife। यानी मेटिल्डा के ऊपर उसने वो शाल डाला जो उन्होंने साथ लाया था। She wished to hurry away in order not to be noticed by the other women who were wrapping themselves in rich furs. And as far as Matilda is concerned, she wanted to hurry away। वो बहुत तेज़ी के साथ वहाँ से निकलना चाहती थी, बिकॉज शी डोंट वांटेड टू बी नोटिस्ड, क्योंकि उसको कोई, वो सोचती थी कि मुझे यहाँ पर इस ड्रेस में, इस जो रैप मैंने जो यहाँ पर ये शाल ओढ़ा है, इस शाल में मुझे कोई नहीं नोटिस करना चाहिए, मुझे कोई नहीं देखना चाहिए, बिकॉज दैट वाज नॉट एज गुड एज द अदर वुमेन्स वेर रैपिंग। Because the other women who were present in the party, they were wearing rich furs। उन्होंने बहुत ही कीमती किस्म के वो फर पहने थे, इसलिए मेटिल्डा जो थी वो वहाँ से बिल्कुल मतलब जल्दी जाना चाहती थी। मोडेस्ट जो है, मोडेस्ट यहाँ पर मोडेस्ट को मैंने लिखा है मिड साइज्ड, मिड साइज। रैप्स मीन्स कवरिंग्स एंड हरी, हरी मीन्स टू मेक हेस्ट, जल्दी करना। Luzul detained her. Wait, said he, I am going to call a cab. Now there was a one our friend Luzul. He stopped her. Detained means he stopped her, and he tell her wait. Uh, I am going to call a cab. He is going to call a cab. He is going to call a taxi. Cab means taxi. But she would not listen and descended the steps rapidly. But Matilda don't listen to him and she go down. Descended means go down. Descended means go down. He go down rapidly, very quickly. Rapidly means very quickly. She go downstairs very quickly. Uh, when they were in the street, they found no carriage. And when they were in the streets, जब वो गली में थे, एंड देयर वाज नो कैरेज, वहाँ पर कोई बैलगाड़ी वगैरह नहीं थी। कैरेज मीन्स लार्ज व्हीकल विथ 4 व्हील्स पुल्ड बाय हॉर्स, दैट इज पुल्ड बाय हॉर्स, यानी जो घोड़ा गाड़ी होती है उसको कैरेज बोलते हैं। एंड दे बिगैन टू सीक फॉर वन एंड दे वर ट्राइंग टू गेट वन कैरेज एंड हेलिंग द coachman whom they saw at a distance. They saw hailing means greeting. They greet the coachman. There was a man, coachman, who was away from them, whom they saw at a distance. थोड़ा सी दूरी पर उसको उन्होंने देखा। They walked along towards the river. Now they proceeded towards the river. वो दरिया की तरफ चले गए। Hopeless, they were hopeless. They were despair. They were in despair. वो ना उम्मीद थे। And shivering, and they were also trembling. Shivering means trembling. Finally, they found one of those old carriages that one sees in Paris after nightfall. Finally, at last, they saw one of the carriages. But that carriage was that was old one. These carriages were usually found in Paris when the night falls, when there was a darkness. शाम के बाद रात का अंधेरा जब छा जाता है, उसके बाद ऐसे इस किस्म के जो बैलगाड़ियाँ थी वो पेरिस में दिखाई देती थी। It took them as far as 3 doors and they went weary up to their apartment. It took them now this ये जो बैलगाड़ी थी, this carriage, they take them to their door. इस बैलगाड़ी ने उनको अपने घर तक पहुंचाया। and they went wearily up to their apartment, and when they reached their home and they reached their apartment, they were very much tired. Wearily means very much tired, बहुत थके हुए थे। It was all over for her. It was everywhere for her, and on his part he remembered that he would have to be at the office by 10 o'clock. But Matilda's husband, he has to report at his office at 10 o'clock. She removed the wraps from her shoulders before the glass. Now Matilda removed these wraps, these coverings before the glass. शीशे के सामने, आईने के सामने उसने वो जो कवरिंग पहनी थी, जो शाल वगैरह पहना था, उसको उतारा for a final view of herself in her glory, because and she wanted to see herself before the mirror. Suddenly she uttered a cry. Now suddenly she uttered a cry. She say a cry. She was crying. She cried. Because her necklace was not around her neck, because she found no necklace around her neck. यानी उसने नेकलेस को वहाँ पर नहीं देखा, अपने गले में नेकलेस को। द नेकलेस वॉज शी हैज़ लॉस्ट द नेकलेस, यानी नेकलेस वो खो चुकी थी कहीं पर। Luzul already half undressed asked. Now Luzul, he was half dressed. He asked her, "What is the matter? Hey Matilda, what is the matter? मामला क्या है?" She turned towards him excitedly. Now Matilda turned towards him. He उसकी तरफ he moved towards him strangely, excitedly, means strangely, I have no longer Ma'am Forster's necklace. She told her that she has lost Ma'am Forster's necklace. यानी मैं मुझे जो नेकलेस मैम फ्रॉस्टर ने दिया था वो मैं खो चुकी हूँ. He arose in dismay. He was disappointed. He rise in disappoint. He was very much disappointed. वो बहुत परेशान हो गया. Dismay means disappointed. What? How is that? He was very much surprised. He was very much astonished. What is? How is that? Hey, कैसे हो गया? It is not possible. This is not possible. How can you lost this precious necklace? किस तरह आप इस precious necklace को खो लोगी? And they looked in the folds of the dress. Now they uncovered this, they unfolded on their her dress. They in order to see whether this necklace may have gone inside the dress. In the folds of the clock, घड़ी के जो फोल्ड किया था उन्होंने उसको भी उन्होंने खोला. इन द पॉकेट्स एंड दे वर सर्चिंग दिस नेकलेस इन द पॉकेट्स एवरीवेयर एंड दिस they could not find it, but after searching thoroughly they couldn't find it. उन्होंने उसको नहीं पाया. He asked her, you are sure you still had it when we left the minister's house? Now he asked Matilda, are you certain that you have still had it? आपके पास ये उस वक्त मौजूद था when they left the minister's party, when they left the minister's house. क्या उस वक्त आपको ये यकीन है कि आपने जो ये जो नेकलेस आपने पहना था क्या वो आपने लगा जब मिनिस्टर के घर में थे हम उस वक्त आपको ये लगा हुआ था? Yes, I felt it as we came out. Yes, she told that yes, she was having that necklace when they left the house of the minister. But if you had lost it in the street, we would have heard it fall. But he told her that if she had lost this necklace in the street, they might have heard the sound of the falling. यानी गिरने की आवाज़ हमने सुनी होगी. It must be in the cab. So he told her that the necklace must be in the cab. हो सकता है ये नेकलेस जो है इस टैक्सी के अंदर होगी. Yes, it is possible. Did you take the number? Now she told that it is possible that the necklace